Hello everyone and welcome to the final episode of Ignition Time. Now, in case you're wondering why this is the final episode, I've been receiving a lot of pressure from my wife and from my kids. I spend so much time on our channel that they are complaining that I don't spend enough time with them, but I felt I owe an explanation to our viewers and subscribers about why this is going to be the final episode. So what precipitated this? Well, as you know, I've been working hard on this channel for months, giving you the latest information on stimulus, giving you the latest information on unemployment benefits, and also making sure that our subscribers, our beloved viewers, get the latest information as it pertains to the country, the economy, as well as our money. I've been doing videos out in my backyard. I've been doing videos in my home office basement. I've been doing videos in this brand new setup that you see right here. I've been doing videos in so many different setups. I've been doing videos when I had my sweater on, when it was freezing. I've done videos where I've actually done videos outside in the rain. I've done videos on pretty much all aspects pertaining to everything that happened since we started this stimulus journey together, since we started the journey of unemployment benefits together. And I've educated you on the basic inequalities that exist in our system, why I believe that the system, the economic system in America, is fundamentally rigged. And I want you to know that for me personally, this entire YouTube channel has been a labor of love. It has been a passion project because I am committed to bringing our viewers and subscribers everything that they need to know to make the right decisions when it comes to the country, the economy, as well as our money. Now, I have to be honest with you, I have enjoyed it. It has been a phenomenal ride so far. And one of the reasons I did this channel was to essentially give back. Because to be honest with you, the amount of effort that goes into this YouTube channel, the amount of scripting that goes in, the amount of production that goes in, all these videos that you see are edited so that they are easy to consume. It isn't just me talking into a camera, which by the way I have done and I can do, and it's something I enjoy doing because, as you know, I'm a big blabbermouth. But the amount of effort and the amount of money that goes into the production of this channel is so intense that for me, it's not like this is a big profitable part of my business activities. For me, the reason I did this channel was to give back, and I encourage you, if our paths don't cross again, I encourage you to make sure that when you reach a point in your life, when you are in a position to give back, you give back to others. You help others live their American dream. I'm saying this with a heavy heart. You help others live their American dream because I want you to be a source of motivation. I want you to be a source of inspiration to others. I want you to escape the cycle of poverty just like I did that you see on your screen right now. And when you are fortunate enough to escape the cycle of poverty and live your own American dream, I encourage you to return the favor and give back to those around us. I can tell you that with the complex world of politics that we live in right now, with the Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, with the Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, with the House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, and with the President, I can tell you that politics is going to become even more complicated. And I encourage you to keep track of what is happening, because as a citizen, I think we should know what is going on so that we can make our voice heard, whether it's talking to our lawmakers, whether it's voting, whether it's making decisions with your wallet. I believe that the companies you support, the companies you invest in, should be a reflection of your values. And so therefore, I encourage you to continuously follow other channels, to watch the news, and to watch both sides of the story. Don't just watch CNN or don't just watch Fox News, because I believe some are too liberal, some are too conservative. In fact, this is funny. Whenever I quote Fox News on our channel, I'm being told, why are you quoting Fox News? Whenever I quote CNN, I'm being told, why are you quoting CNN? We don't believe CNN. Folks, what's important is not the opinion pieces on liberal news outlets or conservative news outlets. What's important is what elected officials say or what past officials say, because that gives us a window into the thinking of each side, and that allows us to be educated and then come to our own conclusions, which is what I've tried to do on our channel in the past several months. So folks, I want you to know with a heavy heart that this is going to be the final episode of Ignition Time, because again, for me, this channel was about giving back. It wasn't about, the money or the income. Although I have to be honest with you, this channel has become a very powerful source of revenue because this channel has grown so rapidly. But for me, this was never about the money, because for me, my income comes from businesses that I own, from rental properties. And to be completely honest, I don't have to work a day for the rest of my life. And I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this because I want you to understand my motivations behind Ignition Time. So folks, it is with a heavy heart that I have to leave you here, because my family, my wife and my kids were like, when you're not working on your business, you're making YouTube videos. And they basically complain about the fact that I never see them, I never talk to them, and I'm always busy either researching for this channel or recording videos for this channel, or even participating in the comments in our channel, because I've been very proactive on our channel. I've been very proactive in commenting, and I've been very proactive in trying to give back as best as I could. Folks, it has been a phenomenal journey. I want you to know that I appreciate you. I want you to know that I really, really deeply care for you, and I will always be here. You'll always be able to watch any and all of the videos on Ignition Time. Make sure you check out all the playlists on our channel. Make sure you check out the playlist on economic recovery alerts. Make sure also that you check out the playlist on the financial freedom series, the managing your money playlist. Check out these playlists, because you'll get a lot of insight into how to make money, how to save money, and how to invest money. Also, here's some information about me. You can learn more about who I am, what my journey has been like, and why you should listen to me. And also, you can follow me on Twitter. Here's my Twitter feed, and my Twitter URL is twitter.com/ignition_time. That's my Twitter handle, ignition_time. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, and that way we can stay connected, and that way you can keep up with me. And I have one final important message for you. You ready? All of this was an April Fool's joke. Okay, that was it. And check this out. This is me laughing. But folks, seriously, this was an April Fool's joke, and I hope I got you. Final episode, I enjoy doing what I do, and I'm always going to be here for you. I want you to know this is the final episode of Ignition Time. Now, can you guess who that was? Ta-da! It was former President Bill Clinton. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you. This is not the final episode of Ignition Time. My name is Dr. Nitin Chhoda. I appreciate you. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. Please enable notifications. I am with you. I will always be with you. I appreciate you. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. Please enable notifications, because it does help out the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next episode of Ignition Time. Take care. Bye.